Here we go. You know, when I was younger, there was always something about a celebrity hairstyle that screamed, "So could I." Sure. After the 5th hour of Friends, I was so totally sure that I could pull off the Rachel. I mean, I never went into a hair salon and asked for the Rachel, but I always thought in my head that I could pull it off. We are counting down 6 retro hairstyles that are having major comebacks. Keep watching till the end because we saved the best for last. This is the tea. Number 6, feathered hair. Farrah Fawcett single-handedly popularized the feathered hairstyle in 1977, right around when Charlie's Angels debuted on television and her red swimsuit poster came out. Her look was iconic and recreated worldwide from the late 70s until it slowly ended in the mid-80s. Until now. Recently, Jennifer Lopez, Haley Steinfeld, and Kate Hudson have been spotted with a feathered hair inspo. Fluffy roots and swept bangs with a modern twist has proved that no matter the decade, feathered hair is pretty timeless. I agree, y'all, the look is timeless, but I only wish I could just pull off the red swimsuit look as well. Number 5, the banana clip. Banana clips are a slightly curved hair accessory used to pull hair up into loose updos, ponytails, and buns. They ruled the 1980s and aided in the popular higher volume hairdos. The banana clip trend quickly died out until they were recently spotted on Etsy, Pinterest, and fashion runway shows where Kai Gerber was spotted wearing one. Will the banana clip stick around this time? Bless the woman's heart who was first spotted wearing a banana clip. I can't say I'm going to be trying out the trend pretty soon, but I do love bananas. Number 4, the flip hairstyle. The flip hairstyle was made popular in the 1960s by mainstream actresses Marlo Thomas and Mary Tyler Moore, country music singer June Carter Cash, and political fashion icon Jacqueline Kennedy. There are many different versions of this hairstyle, but the overall gist calls for chin to shoulder length hair, a curling iron or straightening iron, and hairspray. All you have to do is flip the ends of your hair out and voila! The hairstyle has recently been seen on Kim Kardashian and Hailey Bieber, so you know it's here to stay. I have tried a lot of hairstyles over the years. The middle part, the bob, the perm, you name it, I have tried it. Still have not landed on a hairstyle that suits my face. If anyone has suggestions, I am all ears. Anyway, moving on. I am pretty excited about number 3. Number 3, butterfly clips. You can't think of the 90s and not think of butterfly clips. This hair accessory trend featured small multicolored hair clips in the shape of butterflies used to volumize, pull back, and complement all hairdos. Any amount of butterfly clip could be used to elevate a hairstyle, and the hottest celebs from the 90s, from the Olsen twins to Mandy Moore to Melissa Joan Hart, rocked them.
Thank you.
While one might think this trend would have stayed in the last decade, Urban Outfitters and Target began carrying butterfly clips again, and Gigi Hadid was spotted wearing them. While we don't know if the craze will catch on again, we do know they are definitely back. Oh my God, y'all, I lived for butterfly clips. I remember doing my hair for church and thinking, how many boyfriends can I attract with this butterfly clip look? That's kind of the concept I was going for. Comment below if you think I should start bringing that trend back. Cool. Number 2, scrunchies. The scrunchie was invented in 1986 by Robby Melvin, a nightclub singer and pianist. She sewed her own prototype, inspired by the waistband of her pajamas, and sold it to Scrunchie. I don't know how to pronounce that, so hopefully y'all do. Which eventually distributed as the scrunchie we know today. The scrunchie was popularized in the 80s by Madonna, Janet Jackson, and Debbie Gibson, and continued into the 90s with Cher from Clueless and Phoebe from Friends. Recently, the scrunchie has come back in style and is mentioned on fashion blogs and Instagram. Many retailers are selling scrunchies in all different varieties and can be seen on influencers, celebrities, and athletes, including Serena Williams. I had no idea that this was like kind of a retro trend. I mean, it's kind of just been around my entire life. It was invented 30 years ago, which I hate to say is my entire life. And I'm old and I'm regretting everything. What am I doing with my life? Wearing scrunchies every day. At least that's something. I think this trend is here to stay. Number 1, curtain bangs. Curtain bangs originated in the 1950s when Brigitte Bardot debuted them in France. They stayed wildly popular and began reaching American influence into the 70s on Goldie Hawn. Curtain bangs are fringe bangs that are parted down the middle that frame the face on each side and have wispy ends. They have an edgy, sexy, cool girl look and have remained popular since. There has been a resurgence of curtain bangs in 2020 when Ariana Grande debuted the trendy style, as well as Camila Cabello and Alexa Chung. Alrighty, this is one of those trends where the people that can rock it look absolutely gorgeous and flawless, but it makes everyone at home that tries it look like a meatball with bangs. Okay, y'all, we have learned a lot today. Mostly embarrassing info about myself, but I hope you can at least relate or pull off curtain bangs. Subscribe to keep the embarrassing information flowing. Tell us your worst retro hair moment in the comments.